Okay, so we have here problem 13C, and what I like to do is, when I work these out, I work them out individually. So I'll start out by working the top, ln of a to the 1, b to the 3, and this you did correctly, would be ln of a plus 3 ln of b, and previously you said that ln of a was 2, ln of b was 3, and ln of c is 5. So we're going to apply that here. And as you had before, you're going to get 2 plus 3 times 3. So this was done correctly. And so that's the numerator. All right. And then we'll work the denominator. Let me change the highlighter here so we have contrast. We're working this part here. So ln of bc to the negative 2. And the way I'm going to interpret this part right here to the negative 2 isn't that just b and c get negative 2. What I'm thinking it means is all of this is raised to the negative 2. So, and that's because it's outside of the parentheses. So if that's my, the exponent's outside of the parentheses, so that's my interpretation of it. And if you have that interpretation, it changes how you work this out. But you have all the strategy I saw, it looks correct. It's just the interpretation of the problem. And so ln of bc is ln of b plus ln of c, and then we're going to raise that to the negative 2. And since ln of b is 3 and ln of c is 2, we have 2 plus 5. What did I say? Ln of c is 5, and I didn't write that down. So that's 2 plus 5 to the, 3 plus 5 to the negative 2. And so that would give you 8 to the negative 2. And so this is what would go for the denominator, okay, when you put it together. So I have 11 in the numerator, 8 to the negative 2 in the denominator, which is, so then we have the final situation would be 11 over 8 to the negative 2, which is the same as 11 times 8 squared, or 64. And so when you work that out, this should be the final solution.